Where do you live?
I live in a small town not far from the city. It's a quiet and friendly place.
What do you like about your neighborhood?
I like that it is very peaceful. There are not many cars and people are kind.
Are there any shops near your house?
Yes, there is a small supermarket and a few coffee shops. I go there with my parents.
What places do you often go to in your neighborhood?
I often go to the park. It's a nice place to play and walk.
Is your neighborhood good for children?
Yes, I think so. There is a school, a playground, and many trees.
How long have you lived there?
I have lived there for about 5 years. I moved there when I was in grade 2.
Do you want to live there in the future? Why or why not?
Yes, because I feel happy and safe there. I also have many friends nearby.